Greetings traders, it is Thursday, July 26, 2018. I've got a short position here. Okay, if this trade were to go up and hit the stop up there, I would take it long. That would be a code 2 main code 2 breakout technique. So, but I don't think the stop's going to get hit, but it is a mathematical possibility right now. It could happen. Anyway, I will come back. It's really going against me here right now, and it's just incredibly choppy right now. But I am using the code 2, and hold on a second here. Yeah, I'm using the code 2, and we still have got a short entry in place. So, however, if that stop gets hit, I'm going to take it long. I'm going to take a long position. And, yeah, otherwise this thing's going to drop out. And it's going to go down, and we still can get 100 ticks on this. Take a look at the daily. Still could happen very easily. Just need to start coming down. Right now it's still neutral on the bar. Need to take a direction here. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, it just hit the stop, and I've taken a long position. Need to reset the stop. I'll be right back. Okay, the trade is moving up here. Entry at 46, up to 60 now. Going for 100 ticks on this trade. Daily chart turning green now. Getting close to the top of the daily here. So just need to break that top and keep on going and go hit the 100 tick exit. Should be a piece of cake. Anyway, I will come back. Okay, it's beginning to make its move higher, but still got a long ways to go for the 100 tick exit. And I think I'm going to back that off to about either 60 or 80 ticks, something like that. Anyway, I will come back when I've done it. It looks like right now it's setting up to give a code 2 short entry. If it does, I'm going to take a reverse position. Still looking. Can't tell yet. I'm going to come right back. Okay, I've reversed the position and gone short. We have a code 2 short entry. The only possibility is this could be offset. If the stop gets hit, I will take a long position. Otherwise, I'm going to hold short here. We look to have a code 2 short entry right here. Okay, I'm going to back this exit off to a 60 tick exit instead of 100 ticks. So let's go down to the bottom, grab it up 40 ticks. 91 is 10. 01, 011, that's 30. We'll take it up to 21. That puts it at 60 tick exit right there. The only exception would be is if it really started to move down. If it did, I'd go ahead and replace a 100 tick exit on it. Let's see, what's the bottom? The bottom is sitting at 68.92, and I'm at 68.81. I'm right below the bottom. Or I mean, if I was going to go 100 ticks, 68.81. So it would have to go down and go a little bit lower in order to hit my 100 tick exit down there, if I so chose to put one. 60 tick exit is a pretty good high mathematics. This is the last code 2 of the day. It's a code 2 special, and it's been running about 60 ticks. It did 100 ticks the other day, and you know, 100 ticks is not really what it normally does. Actually, it's done 100 ticks a couple times in the last couple weeks, let's say, but it doesn't generally do 100 ticks. So 60 ticks is good mathematically. So I'm just going to go for 60. take it down to 21, make a nice little 60 tick trade, and call it a day. Piece of cake. You gotta love code trading. You really do. Especially code trading with respect to oil, since we get to use code 2. Anyway, I will be back. It's getting late here, so I'm looking for an exit on this trade. I'm ready to exit it at any moment here. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so I've gotten out of that trade, and I'm all done for today. Not a very good day for the codes. It's very tight. The trading is really tight and choppy. So anyway, I will be back tomorrow on Friday to do some more trading, and it looks like it's going to be a tight little week this week, and then next week hopefully it'll pick back up again. Anyway, hope you traders are doing okay in your trading. I will see you tomorrow. Happy trading out there.